My name's Kabi, also Tertius. Some of you might know me from my forest music project, which is the same as my name, Tertius. I've been making music for about 13, 14 years. Since I was 18, 19 I started. I was always interested in school and music. Never really learned an instrument. I started guitar lessons, but I didn't like the theory. So I got into psychedelic trance at 16 years old. First party in Cape Town called Vortex. Then at 18 I went to England to do my gap year, studies and traveling. There I met a friend in Totnes in South Devon where I learned about forest music. At about the age of 19. He was a big fan of Pavati records and this, so I got a lot of influence from him. And I started meeting more and more people in southwest of England into this kind of style of music. After that, I started exploring different types of music, just listening. Always collected music, used to DJ from very young, was always interested in that. So when I started getting into the Xenon sound was probably 2008. Yeah, started growing more and more in UK. The underground London parties we used to do dark prog in the daytime sometimes, and then forest at night, but not so much dark prog in the beginning or Xenon. It really took some time. So in Devon we had quite a crew doing little parties and playing. More of us got into that style. We got a bit hijacked by minimal techno. So from there, 2010, 2009, 2011 onwards, a lot of min-tech and slowly more and more alternatives we were looking for compared to the crazy nighttime forest music we were listening to. Something that was still psychedelic, journey-wise quite strong, and also really good production. So the Xenon sound just kept popping up, and more and more of us started just enjoying that style,